Hello everyone, this is Chaz Rubino with another Postalytics quick hit video on how to use variable data personalization with Zapier. So Postalytics customers often use custom data from their CRM or marketing automation system to personalize the message on their Postalytics direct mail piece. This is very possible for those using Zapier to connect Postalytics with those outside systems. Now, the mapping process from your Zapier trigger to your Zapier action is very important when making any Zapier connection. The data has to sync up so they can work successfully together. Your Zapier trigger will pull in sample data from, in this case, a new contact created in HubSpot. Then you use that contact's data to map the fields in Postalytics. So you'll see here, it will pull data from this contact Ben, and I can choose from his data. This is what helps HubSpot and Postalytics talk to each other through Zapier, this mapping process. The tricky part is, and you'll see the variable data down here, if you don't connect to a Postalytics trigger drip campaign, like on this tab, it doesn't show the 35 variable fields that Postalytics offered. That's because it hasn't connected to a campaign. But you can see here, now that I have connected to a trigger drip campaign, and this is true even if it is in test mode in Postalytics, it will have those variable fields so I can connect to a custom data field that I want to pull in for my direct mail piece personalization. All right. Well, if you have any other questions about Postalytics, Zapier, or anything else, you feel free to reach out to us at support@postalytics.com. And from all of us here at Postalytics, thank you for your business. Goodbye.